Welcome! Eid al-Fitr is coming soon. May Allah flood your life with happiness. And for this occasion we'll crochet Kahk, petit fours and Crocheto. Today we will only do the Kahk and there will be separate videos for petit fours and Crocheto. So let's get started. Begin with the starting knot. We'll start with 4 chains and join it to form a ring. Then we'll chain 4 because we'll be working treble crochets. So here are 2 loops. Insert the hook into the ring and start working the treble crochets into the ring itself. Now I completed 18 treble crochet stitches. Then we join the first round with a slip stitch. Chain 1 and start the second round. Start with a decrease at the first 2 stitches. Then we do 1 individual stitch and another one. Then we do another decrease and join 2 stitches together. And then 3 individual stitches, 1 stitch in each stitch. Then 2 stitches together, a decrease. And then an individual stitch, all these are single crochets. Then a decrease, and the last stitch is an individual single crochet. And finish off this row. We'll notice it started to shut as we're working on the lower part. Now I'll start the second row with a decrease, working all the way with single crochets. Then we do 2 individual stitches, 1 stitch in each stitch. And then 2 stitches decrease. Then an individual stitch. And another one. And a decrease. Then an individual stitch. And another individual stitch. And a decrease at the last 2 stitches. And finish off this row. Like so. The last row will only do decreases. No individual stitches at all, we'll just join each 2 stitches together. And finish this off. So we've started this row with a decrease and then 3 individual stitches. The next row we did a decrease, then 2 individual stitches, then a decrease. The last row we just did decreases, joining each 2 stitches together. Let's weave in this end like so. We won't need to stuff it as it already looks good and I'm happy with its firmness. This is the back and this is the front. Now the Kahk is completed. Thank you.